Whales may be the saving grace on Bitcoin today. We see them buying in, and as long as this continues, especially if we get a green volume bubble here, this may invalidate an imminent head and shoulders pattern. For those that aren't familiar, if this pattern breaks down to $107,000, there's a strong likelihood of a further crash. This right here is a bearish pattern, and it's something we need to be very careful and aware of. So, what is likely to happen next? How can we mitigate our risk? And if the crash does end up happening, how can we maximize our potential earnings with our entry? Let's find out in today's video. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, our traders have earned 312 wins and 0 losses over the last 32 months. For our members, we have a brand new future forecast episode, preparing you for the wealth that's coming. This is a downloadable budget app walkthrough. Today, October 24th, we've created a budgeting app for you. Today, we're going to show you how to use it and how to prepare your family for the wealth that's coming. How to create a family budget that actually works. How we track every expense so we know exactly where the money goes. Why having a budget attracts more wealth in your life. The best apps to track your spending each month that Travis personally uses. How to shift your mindset from spending to stewarding. How to invite God into your financial planning for true peace and overflow. And Travis is going to go over a quick market update as well. This is going to be a crucial video for anyone trying to maximize their profits and how they use them in the future. If you don't have a membership yet, snag it at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, volume bubbles, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Right now, we see price versus well money flow is overall high, but is still increasing, leading to a move up in our current candle. This is still considered a move down because we haven't gone any higher and stayed higher than the last candle. Trades in favor is high, pushing into the short trade zone as we reject from structure resistance. This means that upwards momentum has run out and we're likely to see a crash to the downside. We got a sell signal. We got a red volume bubble showing that whales are selling, and this was likely an ideal exit. For the most part, this really is not looking good. We see another example of this here and here, where we have moves back to the downside. And this is where I want our traders to be careful. Based on technical analysis, this should push the price back down to $107,000, potentially even just through this weekend. And if we crash below $107,000, this means a candle fully opening and closing below $107,000. This could be a full-on crash. Now, to many, this sounds really scary. This sounds like the loss of a lot of money. But at Trade Confident, we view this as an actual opportunity. This means we could get a chance at some seriously discounted crypto. Now, regardless of looking at specific structure supports, while those are important, we want to follow what whales are doing. This means as whale money sells out of the market, indicated by this green line dropping, we want to see it bottom out and tick back up. When this happens, it means whales have oversold and are buying back into the market. At the same time, if we get some volume bubbles in the market, this further assures that whales are buying. Now, the price versus well money flow tracks the direction and how fast money is moving through the market. The volume bubbles track how much money is moving from the market from whales. Both of these in combination give you a full picture of whale money. And again, where whale money goes, I'm going to say this over and over again, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So that's how you can use these two indicators to track a potential buy. From there, if you can find either a buy or a strong buy signal and trades in favor in the long trade zone, guys, you are set up for a huge potential entry. Whether that happens on the way to $107,000 or if we get those 4 signals below that, any combination, we want to see 3 out of 4 at minimum, ideally 4 out of 4 of these signals, buy or strong buy, a green volume bubble, price versus well money flow low, and trades in favor low before we make our entries. This is the combination of entry signals that our traders have used to earn 312 wins and 0 losses over the last 32 months. And we have a couple new trade calls made this week for 10% profit each. Using this strategy, this trader earned $7,000 in their first scalp, $15,700 in just a week. This trader met their goal of becoming debt-free, earning $1,000 to $5,000 every day with your indicators, 10%, 50 to 70%, 103% profit in 34 days. And it just keeps going on like this. On top of money-making benefits like the trade setups and future forecast episodes, members get massive discounts on these indicators. Check it out, guys. Head down to the description, sign up for a membership at the first link in the description. 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started, and you're saving $150 on the Pro Indicator Pack. Purchase of the Pro Indicator Pack gets you $400 off the TC Top and Bottom Finder. That is $550 off so far. Purchase of either the Pro Indicator Pack or the TC Top and Bottom Finder gets you 60% off the Volume Bubbles Indicator if you email us in at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Massive savings to be had. Don't hesitate to sign up, guys. This is going to be great. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the brand new future forecast episode. Don't miss out.